dragons are very, very serious dancers. So I hope you guys are ready to dance. Now, we've taken it pretty easy so far with our free form and our left to right kind of things. Now we've got something called choreography. Because the dragons are hardcore. Follow along and enjoy, and yeah, feel free to get up and dance. All right, dragons.
It's astounding. Time is fleeting. Madness takes its toll. But listen closely.
Not for very much longer.
I've got to keep control.
Doing the time war. Drinking those moments when darkness hit me. And what we call it. Let's do the time war again. Let's do the time war again. It's just a jump to the left. Put your hands on your hips. It's a dreaming, oh fantasy freely, so you can't see me. No, not at all. In another dimension, with voyeuristic intention, well secluded, I see all.
With a bit of a mind flip.
You're into the time slip.
And nothing can ever be the same.
This is not a sensation, like you're under sedation. Let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again. When I was walking down the street, just to have my thing. When you're sneaking the guy and me and he going. You shook me up, took me by surprise. He had a big ass dragon like devil's eyes. He stared at me, I felt a change. Time is nothing if I want it again. Let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again. It's just a jump to the left. Put your hands on your hips.
Oh man, looks like we wore out the dragons, man. Oh, oh boy. All righty. Well, man, if you can wipe out dragons, that must mean it was one heck of a Halloween party. Um, so with that, I just wanted to definitely take a moment to uh from all of us down here at the Puppet Hideaway. Uh hold on. Make sure you can see my little table here. Okay, cool. I just wanted to say that I wish you and your friends and your family and everyone a very safe and happy Halloween. Despite the pandemic, you can still, zoom it, wear a costume. I don't know, drive around in cars and honk at people. Do whatever it takes to share the Halloween spirit. And with that, I'll leave you with a little famous tune from, oh, if I Forgot what I just did with my phone. Oh, here it is. Okay. Leave you with a little ditty from some of our little friends here. Happy Halloween! Bye-bye!